I was traveling outside the country, it gave me a new perspective because I was allowed to see people who were happy when, in my mind, in my perception and perspective, that they were poor and they had nothing. So why are they so happy? And it challenged me. It challenged me to have a different perspective because your happiness is determined by your mindset. So as we kick off 2020, I think it is so important for us to have the right perspective, no matter if you're a personal brand or an organization. Our mindsets really do matter. What you feel internally affects the way you lead, the way you work with others, the way you manage. So you have to look at a wide perspective. The way you see things really affects your happiness factor when you wake up in the morning, your drive, what motivates you. So oftentimes we focus so much on revenue when it comes to a business instead of focusing on the health and the condition of your business and organization. Why are you on these platforms? Why are you doing digital marketing? Why are you doing what you're doing? Understanding that why and having that right perspective and direction of where you're going. And when you change that perspective of a healthy mindset with positivity and not just chase after revenue or power and different things, that's when things can start changing for you.